Erectile dysfunction best treatment. What having ED might mean for your health. If you notice that you're having ED symptoms, it's possible that you could be suffering from another condition. It's also possible that you could have more than one underlying health issue contributing to the problem. Diabetes, metabolic syndrome, obesity, atherosclerosis, high blood pressure, heart disease, vascular disease, kidney disease, Peyronie's disease, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease. Some medications contribute to erectile dysfunction. Certain blood pressure medications. Some antidepressants. Certain antiandrogens used to treat prostate cancer. Radiation. Some ulcer medications. Certain sedatives. Certain appetite suppressants. Besides conditions and medications, there are certain lifestyle factors that contribute to erectile dysfunction. Smoking, excessive alcohol, lack of exercise, being seriously overweight or obese. More often men who suffer from ED find themselves dealing with emotional issues. However, once physical causes of ED come into play, and sexual difficulties arise, psychological issues compound the problem, and contribute to severe emotional anguish. These can have serious side effects, and they don't help with psychological issues. To date, thousands of men have recovered their dignity, and Elixir is an erectile dysfunction remedy that works well for most men and has no side effects. Like quite a few other ED treatments, it is relatively new to the market. Like quite a few other ED treatments, it is relatively new to the market, and so far, it has helped more than 16,000 men achieve sustained natural erections without prescription drugs. The program involves a customizable supplement that you make using easily obtainable ingredients, along with recommended lifestyle changes and a strong focus on eliminating the psychological stumbling blocks that typically accompany erectile dysfunction. Lastly, Elixir is very inexpensive, $37, less than what a single Viagra tablet costs in some places. Additionally, it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, which is yet one more thing that you don't get with prescriptions.